Hello everyone, my name is James Atkins. I'm the General Manager here at our Palm Harbor Supercenter located in Round Rock, Texas. And today I wanted to let everybody know that we're kicking off our huge Triple Your Tax Refund sale. Here at Palm Harbor, you can triple the value of your refund up to $9,000. Not only that, we are the largest Palm Harbor Supercenter in the Austin area. We have over 20 homes to view for you and your family to come and look at and find the right one for y'all. We have 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms. Today I'm standing in this beautiful Lavelle model. This is a triple wide, 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, over 2,700 square feet, full tape and texture. Give us a call today at 512-251-5614 for more information, or you can come and see the home at 15996 North IH35 in Austin, Texas, or you can go to our website at www.roundrock.palmharbor.com. Come on down and see all the amazing deals we got going on, the incentives we got going on, and see how we can help you and your family today. Thank you.